You can see there is a today you can see there is a lot of momentum in the Asia session and London session. You can see we have CRT confirmation, London Open, and CRT confirmation that we get here. You can enter CRT confirmations of 4 candles are the A plus setups. You can see with the 4 confirmation we have at a smaller time frame you have change set of delivery price pull back to here. You can enter there at this point. You can see this is the 50-minute parallel gap, and after that a strong selling. Whatever you capture, that's still pure luck today. But I'm not capture this because I'm not available and I am not trading London session today, because seeing this big momentum, I'm expecting a choppy moment in the London session, but this is unexpected moment. And as you can see here, this is a New York Open, there is a 4 hour fail gap and price actually holding, and you can see there is a lot of low resistance liquidity is generated in the path, and I'm expecting a selling in the New York Open and expecting a continuation rather than reversible, because you can see there's a lot of BDRs, bearish BDRs created in the path, and in this case we have to expect a selling continuation, and New York does not put a day low, so that's why I am expecting selling to put a New York as a day low, and then whatever we get after that, it's reversible or continuation, you can trade after. But I am expecting a selling, and as you can see we get a 1 minute inversion, but this is not a plus, so I will enter with a lower quantity. You can see inversion, if a 1 minute inversion I enter, my SL is there is a news at 7:15 and our SL is hit, and we need a more expanded FEG to make this trade as a plus trade. So we took a loss, and after that you can see the A plus setup form, and this loss I will say this is a plus loss, second loss is a plus loss, and here quantity is also good, and you can see there is a SMT point of interest, and we have a bunch of low resistance liquidity clearly you can see here. And after that we have a change set of delivery inversing this parallel gap, change set of delivery unicorn model, and we enter here immediately. As this low break, I move my stop loss to this low, this high, I add one more quantity here, and after that we took a loss, and after that you can see we have 1 minute inversion, and again the players that enter here hit their SL, and after that exactly we get our target price. But you can see there is a choppy movement, and I exactly expect this. That's why I'm not take more quantity, I just take a double quantity of that previous trade, because this lower probability condition is because the momentum in the London session, so this is the lower probability condition. I am entering the market because there is a news day, so maybe expecting a momentum, but I didn't get momentum because already momentum we get in London session and Asia session. So why do we expect a volatility in a New York session? And that's how you can recognize the all you think you need is point of interest, SMT, unicorn model, low resistance liquidity, and you can see how the trade is performing. This trade is a plus trade, and I will tell this is a plus loss, and expect from market continuation or reversible, and there is no FG created in the path. This is the